Hey, welcome to the Sean Davis Show. Checking out this light show right now. All the way around us towards pretty Lake Cumberland. Look at that. Giving some wild storms for tonight, I reckon. Everybody be safe out there. Yeah, just like a good storm. Streaking all over the place till you come outside with the camera. Then it goes silent. Ah. That was a pretty big flash there. Trees kind of blocking my way. There we go. Pretty cool. Pretty cool light show. Awesome power of God there. There we go. That's some good lightning. All the way around us. On one side. To the north and to the south. It's creeping right in on us. New podcast is up on Spotify and YouTube, Apple, Google, Pocket Cast, radio, whatever it is. Anywhere you listen to podcasts. New podcast is up discussing flat earth, biblical scriptures that could say the earth is flat. We went through them. There's only like one or two and they don't really say the earth is flat. They say, if there's a firmament that God put over the earth or around the earth. NASA tells us it's a closed system. Look up some of these TikTok videos with the rockets hitting the firmament. Don't necessarily mean the earth's flat. But CNN come out with an article saying that Japan just found 7,000 islands. Wow, 7,000 islands. That tells you right there, folks. The world is not what they tell us it is. We are more significant than what they try to let us think, that we're just random drops of clay that the Big Bang Theory created. We are more significant than that. We are created beings by a creator. Oh, he may not have formed us in our mother's womb, but he gave us life and the ability to procreate. I don't know, the Bible says he formed us in the womb, so maybe he did. I don't know. It's his handiwork. Whatever it is, I'm sure. Just like this storm. world is a much bigger place than what they let us think. God's a lot greater, more powerful than what they let us think. They're just destroying homes and families and everything that's good in this world. Unfortunately, most women don't want a family anymore. They want to play the field. They don't want to raise their kids in a home with a father figure and a loving mom and traditional values anymore. They don't even really want boyfriends anymore. They just want to hook up with this guy and hook up with that guy and whatever. It's just a lawless society. And then they look at their government and they think, well, why is our government in such bad shape? Well, what's the Bible say? The Bible says the leaders will reflect the hearts of the nation. How would you have a despicable nation and everybody walking and doing whatever they want and what's right in their own eyes and not doing what's right spiritually, right with society? Everybody just being selfish and just doing whatever. You get a government that's selfish and just does whatever. It's just the way it goes. It's the way it goes. We've praised all these women in churches for leaving their husbands and empowered them, gave them voices and platforms to teach other women to do the same thing. Now, I'm not talking about if your husband's cheated on you or beat you or abused you or not provided for you like the Bible says he should, not worked his butt off and tried to provide for your family. Now there are those that get out there and work every day and don't make enough money to provide, especially in this economy. I ain't talking about those guys either, because they're trying, doing their part too. Whoa, look at that. Beautiful. But I look at my great-grandparents. Every set, they loved one another, they worked hard together, they devoted themselves to each other, and they raised beautiful, loving, successful kids and families. And yeah, I'm sure they had hard times, but they seemed to want for nothing. They had each other, they had a relationship with God, they had financial means to take care of themselves and future generations. And now everybody just wants to split up left and right. You can't build a life with no one. I mean, you really can't. You can't build a life. You can't build no future. And then if you are lucky enough to find a girlfriend and she stays with you for a little while and even gets married, you know, no one wants to put their money together and build a life together and work towards common goals. Because everybody's looking to get out. Everybody's looking to escape it. And it's sad times. It's sad, sad times. The destruction of the family, folks, is the destruction of the nation. And I hate to be preaching, but I'm brokenhearted right now, and that's just the way it is. You're always left with a lot of questions. A lot of questions that never get answered. And you always sit and wonder why you weren't good enough. That, you know, no matter how well you treated them, no matter how much you gave them, no matter how